Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious gelato cake. First, choose your favorite gelato flavors, perhaps a rich chocolate and a refreshing mint. Next, prepare your base. A thin sponge cake or a simple cookie crust works wonderfully. Remember to line your 9-inch springform pan with plastic wrap, ensuring it extends over the sides. This makes removing your beautiful creation much easier later on. Now, let's start layering. Take your first gelato flavor out of the freezer and let it soften slightly for about 10 minutes. This makes it much easier to spread smoothly. Carefully press this softened gelato evenly over your prepared cake base. Once you have a nice, even layer, place the pan back into the freezer for at least 25 minutes to ensure it firms up properly before adding the next layer. To elevate your gelato cake, consider adding some delightful fillings. Between your gelato layers, you can sprinkle in chopped nuts, mini chocolate chips, or even a thin drizzle of caramel or fudge sauce. Just be mindful not to add too much liquid, as it can affect the cake's structure. Distribute these additions evenly to ensure every slice gets a taste of the extra goodness. Once all your layers are complete, it's time for the final freeze. Place your assembled gelato cake back into the freezer for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. When you're ready to serve, simply lift the cake out of the springform pan using the plastic wrap. Garnish with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some elegant chocolate shavings for a perfect presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.